Glenn Butler, and I live in Lebanon, Tennessee. I love living out in the country, and most of all, I love my barn. I spent a bunch of time on the golf course. I lived on 2 golf courses, was a member for many years, and hit a lot of range balls and putted a lot, but now I can do all these fun things in my barn, and I wouldn't go back to the golf course for anything. Designed it, built it specifically for 2 daughters that were very athletic. My son-in-laws were athletic, but I have 4 grandchildren, 2 grandsons, 2 granddaughters. And so I outfitted this building with hit tracks and golf tracks. So a workout area, I've got a jugs gun for football and a sitting area. And we all get together and just have a great time. We chose to use a contractor, and so pretty much Jeremy Bjork just worked directly with our contractor and did a great job. When it was finished on the outside, insulation, windows, and the erection, then my son-in-law and I went to work on the inside and making the doors and the shutters, and we did the awning out front. But Jeremy and my contractor got the building to a place where we could have our fun. I did a lot of searches online and talked to several people, sent in a bunch of inquiries, and Great Western responded in a very nice way. They seemed to understand a lot better than anybody else exactly what I was looking for, which I wanted the high pitch in the middle, and the buildings just looked exactly like I wanted. Actually, there didn't seem to be any hard parts. We got a contractor that puts together steel buildings all the time. That's what they do, and they put together steel buildings from a lot of different companies. They had never put one together from Great Western, but they said that this was one of the best designs and built buildings that they had ever worked with.